If you're not familiar with how to use an online writer's notebook, I'm going to show you how to do it. First thing you want to do is in your classwork tab, you want to go to writing assignments, and right near the top, you should see a thing that says online writer's notebook. Here, if you click on online writer's notebook, you will see that, well, when we click on that, there we go. You will see that an online writer's notebook is generated specifically for you. This is a notebook that you will be using throughout the school year. So you'll just keep on coming back to it. You can see here, we've already given you a format for how you're going to work. And basically, it's a 3-column format. You've got your date, the title of what you're doing, and of course, a time for you to do a section for you to do the writing itself. And you can see we've got a few examples over here, so that way we can explain what we're doing. Okay. So over here, hello everybody. It is your adorable blue friend Grover. Grover, I'm trying to teach right now. What? I'm teaching right now. I do not see any children. I see you talking to a computer. Yes, I know. This is how we teach nowadays. Really? Yes, that's how we're doing it. I question the state of education these days. Yes, I know. But right now, I have to continue teaching, okay? All right. Goodbye. All right. Anyway, that being said, before we were completely interrupted there by Grover, I wanted to tell you that here's some examples of what you could do. So here we have Monday. We've got the date here. And the example here is the magic objects list. You might just get a lesson where we ask you to list a bunch of objects. And you can see here, it's just a list. Sometimes we're just using this as a notebook to just get our ideas out. Just write as freely as we want. You'll notice it's not a story. It's just right now just a series of ideas, a list of things. Again, on Tuesday, another list, favorite places. And again, we've got a bunch of places. But here, on April 1st, we can see that there was a prompt about the first day of summer, and here we have just a few thoughts about what the first day of summer would have felt like. And again, we are not asking for a full story or even a rough draft. This is just a place for you to get your ideas out, to make sure that you're doing the discipline of writing every day and writing how you feel. So as you know, it'll keep on going, much like the reading journal. When you reach the end and you run out of spaces, all you have to do is click the tab button on your computer, and you will see that more lines will continue to form. So you will never run out of space on your online writer's notebook. So good luck with it. Have fun with it. And until next time, I'm Mr.